Hi everyone, this is Aya and today I'm going to share with you crafty haul for 2021. The last video I shared my crafty purchases was last year, December last year, or maybe October or December, I don't remember. But now I'm going to share with you all the craft supplies that I bought during the last 6 months in 2021. So whenever I buy something, I film it, then I'm going to attach it to the next video or to the next, purchase video. So I hope you enjoyed. You will hear me sometimes doing a voiceover and sometimes I'm just talking while, I'm filming. So the first box we have here stuff from a Graphic 45. So the first box was has dies. The second box has papers, ephemeras, glues as you see here, flower. I don't have the paper or the receipt that has the names, but I'm going to link as much as I can in the description box. We have this journaling stand, not journaling stand, for the days and month. It works for the planner or maybe also for the journaling. Bought some flowers, some papers. And I love this new boxes. They have this in new boxes. And this paper collection is a new collection. You will see me creating some amazing mixed media coming up. So subscribe to my channel. So this is the first haul from a Graphic 45. Hi everyone, I have a haul to share with you and it's my order. It's my first time to try this company called AB Studio and they sell paper. Oh, beautiful. Let me show you. Okay, and this is colored vellum. Also, it's my first time to see what's colored vellum. Then this is Pixie Dust. You will hear my son in the background watching Peppa Pig. Okay, and this is the 12 by 12 size called A Magic Whisper of Fairy Tales. And this is Shine Your Light. Let me zoom in. Yeah, I like this kind of style. The artist is amazing. I don't know what's her name. I hope Candy Art. I think this is the illustrator. This is so beautiful. This one called Pixie Dust. This one called Glitter Story. Beautiful. And the last one called Love You to the Moon and Back. Okay. And this one is a random stuff. Okay. So I got this slimline stamp, slim cling rubber stamp. Beautiful. And this one called Slim Flower Wings from Stem Pendants. Then I got, I think I bought this by mistake because I was looking for the critter for this stamp. This one called Peekaboo Flight. But I think, I'm not sure if these animals will work here because when I checked after I bought that, no, this is not the stamp set. So anyway, it's beautiful. Also called Sending Hugs. From the new release, I bought maybe a couple of stuff. I mean, I didn't buy all the release. And this one called Stitched Sun Frame. Looks so cute. Then I got this by Sizzix. This one called Floral Frame. So it will cut and emboss. Okay. Also, it's open. Got this one from Spellbinder called Quick Trimmer. So I can cut my foil because my foil is really, crinkled and was everywhere. And finally, this die always is sold out, and this one called Perspective Butterfly. It's really huge. It's really big. Okay. And Then I got this by Hero Arts, and this one called Honey Pot Fancy Die. And this one I'm so excited about. These two, so cute. This one called Under the Water Sea #1 and Under the Sea 2, and this one colorized, same as the flower one. I'm so excited about this one. Yeah, so I think I was, you know, there is one more order from Simon System, and yes, I'll publish this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi everyone, this is Aya, and I'm here to share with you small haul, crafty and card making haul. So first we have an order, you know, place order in early creative. So I bought this stencil, so much fun because I have the eyeshadow palette from Jane Davenport, so I can, you know, play around. I'm not a makeup artist by any means. I don't know how to put makeup, but I don't know. This came to my mind when I see it. The next one, this is from her new release. This die, there's no name. No. Okay, it's like a long rainbow die. And speaking of rainbow, this is from Simon Says Stamp. I really wanted this for a long time, so I'm happy that I grabbed it. Also about this stencil, so cute. Reverse hearts. This one does have a name. Oh yes, rainbow card. So we have this waffle flower stamp and die. Does it have a name? Sending love. So cute. Then from Mama Elephant, bookworm. I don't know, I have a feeling that I have this stamp. I don't want to go and check. And Jenna K stamp. No name. And this one also from Jenna K. And last one from Doodlebug. This is my first time to buy something from Doodlebug, or I mean this brand. So cute. I really love all this whimsical frames. So cute. Yeah, that's my haul. Thanks, bye. Okay, found this clip and doesn't have any voice over, so I said okay, let me try to remember what did I buy with you guys. Okay, yes, and I have a detach page over my Instagram if you're interested, because some of these items for sale. Yeah, some stuff I use, some I don't know why did I buy them, but please no judge here. So yeah, I'm going to leave the link for my detach page if you are interested. Okay, so the first, I think, yeah, I remember this haul as well. I think it was from scrapbook.com. So it's my first time to try all these new brands like Paper Rose, Picket Fence, and Catherine Polar or Catherine Polar. So these are the stuff I bought from scrapbook.com. Next, yeah, it was the new release for Tim Holtz, so I was really loving it. So I bought this 3D embossing folder. They are amazing. They give amazing texture to your paper or to your card or to your project anyway. This is I think an old die, but I really like the style. I don't know, I was explaining what to you guys, but I didn't find any sound, so it's really beautiful. Yeah, this die, I created a full video tutorial explaining how I made these flowers. Yes, and this stamp is for sale over in my detach page if you are interested. Okay, it's cute dinosaur, even though I didn't use it, but anyway, it's by Maker 40 something like this. I don't know if it's the French name or not. Okay, so this is my order. I think I was explaining that I bought this just for my son. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, let's see what's next. I think this is a haul from a brand called Birdie or Little Birdie. I saw a video, I don't remember her name, maybe Sandy. She was, you know, showing her new haul from Little Birdie, and she was saying that they have amazing price. So when I checked them, they have a mixed media supplies and with, you know, reasonable prices. I think it's from India. I'm not sure. I mean, I saw, you know, the shipping label written DHL, so I think it's international, even though I don't remember how much I pay for shipping, but it was not that much. Anyway, I bought from them some mixed media stuff. Usually my mixed media products, I like to buy them from Ephemera or Prima Marketing. But I tried all of these during these 6 months, and they are absolutely amazing. I didn't try this glue or this I don't know, I think it's a glue, type of glue, but I like their paste, their glitter paste, and this stencil. I used it today on a project coming up soon this month, and these beautiful flowers were really nicely priced. So I really recommend, if you want to check some mixed media supplies, check this website, I think called Little Birdie. I'll try to link it in the description box. Let's see what's next. Okay, we have some stamps here. This one from Gina K. I wish that I bought the die because it's hard. What's the name? I don't know. It's hard, to cut. I think all of them are sold. I think I sold them because I know I'm tempted to use these, small flowers. Anyway, these dies, again, maybe I'm gonna link the video that I used these beautiful dies by Tim Holtz called Colorized Flowers. They are absolutely amazing. What else? Yeah, this is a premium sketchbook. It's a mixed media book for watercolor. This was, I think, from Amazon, so I'm really excited to try it. I didn't try it yet. Okay, this is, what do you call it? I don't know. Shame. You buy things and you don't use it. Anyway, the next we have a graphic 45 haul, but I did a voice for this video. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, this is Aya, and today I'm sharing with you a new release for graphic 45. I just received the box, and let me share with you what's new in graphic 45. Kit, this collection, and it's called Ephemera Queen. So we have some ephemeras. Can you see? Beautiful die cuts. This is the same. Then we have Ephemera Queen collection. This is for journaling and ephemera cards. Then we have this chipboard. So cute. Then this is the paper. Okay, good. This is 6x6. I love the smell of the paper. So beautiful, and I love really the colors. Oh, look at this. Nice. So this is 6x6, and this is the patterns on solid. I'm happy that this really opens easily. Beautiful. And finally 12 by 12. So this is the first collection. So the second collection, this is an old one. I mean, I used it already, so many projects. So this is one called Fairy Wings. So we have the chipboard, and we have 6x6 paper. This is really beautiful, pink and purple, and the solid pattern and solid. The one that I'm really happy and excited is this one. That's my this collection is my favorite. Okay, and this one called Woodland Friends. So first we have the journaling and ephemera cards. It's me. Okay. Then we have chipboard. Really love the illustrations and the colors. And this one, the Woodland Friends collection. This is die cuts assortments. The papers. So let's see now, 6x6. Oh dear. Oh, squirrels. Where's my son? My son loves squirrels. Beautiful. It's stunning. Okay, so we have this 6x6 and we have, you know, 12x12, and also we have the pattern and solid, the brown. I love the brown one. Nice. Cool. This deluxe collection edition, nature. This one called a nature notebook. Okay, and it comes with the stickers and a chipboard. Beautiful. I use, you know, mixed media stuff. Then, last but not least, we have here metal brads. I really love the details. We have also square craft tags, and finally these mini one, artist trading tags craft. Yeah, and I'm going to link everything in the description box. Bye.